was that reaction video? Hey, what's up everybody? Just want to show y'all a little project card that I got. I know a lot of the subscribers in here fans of these bad boys. So without further ado, here she is. A little bit about the car. So it's got upgraded pistons. It's got a stage 3 clutch, flywheel kit, has coated rods, meaning rod bearings. It's got an RTD shifter, full exhaust, port injection, relocated outlets, exhaust. It's got the M3 wheels on it. These brake pads very soon, like the wheel fitment. Not sure what the suspension is. Might just be springs, but nonetheless the car is set up pretty nicely. It's got the RB2s in it, which I'm not really a big fan of because they're only pushing about 575. I mean, you know, that's maxing them out. For a setup like this, you know, it'd be nice to have a single turbo. You know, all that I know is so the turbos are smoking. Probably got pushed too hard, honestly, because you know they're not really meant for big power, and this thing's meant for a lot. So I'm really going with the full single setup. Might actually try bottom mount this time and see how that goes, but you know, regardless, it's gonna be something sick. And nonetheless, it's still got the red 135i. It's getting the single turbo put in right now. It's done, actually put in. It's gotta take some tuning and get that done. And I got the motor for the M5, so it's actually next before the before the 335 right here. And then even before that, we're gonna go ahead and put a big turbo on this 340, upgrade the high pressure fuel pump, and send it. Actually, I got the clutch too on that. So got a lot of projects going on, but I want to know what y'all think about this bad boy right here. What do you like about it? I love this lip. I haven't really fully put it on there, but it's sick. Never seen the carbon fiber on the outsides like that. It's got the halos, I mean the upgraded halos there, and the car really sounds good. I'm actually started up. So it's got the M3 caps. It's wrapped. Forgot to say, man, I can't believe I didn't tell y'all it was wrapped. Underneath is black. What do y'all think about the wraps? It wouldn't be a proper video if we didn't send it, right? Alright guys, just to summarize the video, checked it out, y'all saw it, y'all rode in it. What would y'all do? I'm having the dilemma right now, trying to figure out, take the turbos out, rebuild them, put them back in, sell all the components that it has right now, and drop in a single, I mean probably a bottom mount I'm leaning towards, but I do like top mount. So what would y'all do? That's what I want to know. answer below. And the answer that I go with, wherever I pick, I am giving some goodies away. Giving Alcantara wrap steering wheel, 5-inch intercooler, down pipes, and an engine intake. So you're gonna be, oh, let's see what we got in the mail. So you're gonna get full bolt-ons for me. I'm giving it away to one person that has the best response to what I should do with this car. All right, I'll talk to you all soon.